Hi, today we will talk about some theorems of continuity. So we have the extreme value theorem and the intermediate value theorem for you here today. So the extreme value theorem says that if a function is continuous on an interval, like if it's continuous on an interval a to b, then that must mean it has a minimum and a maximum point on that interval. So that makes good sense. So like, let's say this is our interval and the function goes like this. I don't know. So we can see that this is our maximum point and this is our minimum point. So that this makes pretty good sense. But because it assumes continuity, that's why it makes sense. And then the intermediate value theorem states that on like the same interval, like on an interval which is also continuous, then you know that this is point A, x is equal to A and x is equal to B, and you know that f of A is lesser than or equal to m, which is lesser than or equal to f of B, and m is some random value, and then that must mean that there is some point C on like between A and B where f of C is equal to m, because like between A and B, like it must traverse all values between A and B. So if m is between A and B, then it must hit m at some point. So these are some pretty simple theorems, but they give you credibility when you have to explain your answers sometime. Thank you.